Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Somizi's BFF Vusi Nova shared on living the dream with Somizi that he did not like Mohale from the beginning of their relationship and even warned him about Mohale before they even got married. During a telephonic conversation between him and Sumizi, Vusi told Sumizi how he disapproved of the relationship from the beginning. He also stated that Mohale made up those allegations against Sumizi because he was trying to sabotage Sumizi's reputation and career. Vusi said he did not like Mohale and also that he only tolerated him because Sumizi loved him, but he never got the love back from Mohale. Vusi told Somizi that he lost himself in that toxic relationship with Mohale and that he became something he did not understand. He also stated that he does not want Somizi to hate Mohale. He only wants him to move on, you guys. Now, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell for notifications. I'll see you on my next upload. Thank you so much. Bye.